Hello friends, welcome to AIMS Today YouTube channel. You are watching NEET Foundation Biology Organization Part 6. In this video, we are going to discuss about the plant tissues, final one, vascular tissue, and about the growth rings and how they are formed. Plant tissue, complex permanent tissues, they are called vascular tissue or conductive tissue. The vascular tissues are specialized to transport food, water, and minerals. They consist of long, narrow cells arranged end to end, forming tubes. There are two different types of vascular tissues called xylem and phloem. Xylem is vascular tissue that transports water and dissolved minerals from roots to upper parts of the plant, that is stem and leaves. Phloem is a vascular tissue that transports food, sugar dissolved in water, from photosynthetic cells to other parts of the plant for growth or storage. This type of tissue consisting of living cells that are separated by end walls within tiny perforations or holes, particularly phloem. So this vascular tissue is present in all parts of the plant. There is the leaves, if you see, in the midrib region, that is veins and veinlets, consisting of the vascular bundles, xylem and phloem. And in the stem also, these vascular bundles are present. In the roots also, these vascular bundles are present. So here the thick blue color, turkish color represents the phloem tissue, and the pinkish represents the xylem. They are made up of, why they are called complex tissues? Because they are made up of different elements. If you take xylem elements are present like xylem tracheids, xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers, etc. If you take phloem also made up of phloem elements like companion cells, sieve tubes, sieve cells, etc. Let us further discuss how the secondary growth takes place. Secondary growth occurs in adverse conditions. In many vascular plants, the secondary growth is the result of the activity of two lateral meristems, the cork cambium and vascular cambium. These two arise from lateral meristems. The secondary growth increases the girth or diameter of the plant root or stem rather than its length. The two types of secondary meristem are both named as cambiums. One is vascular cambium and another one is cork cambium. Vascular cambium produces, this is the vascular cambium, and this is cork cambium. If you take vascular cambium produces secondary xylem. It is produced towards the center of the stem or root, and secondary phloem towards the outside of the stem or root. So this results adding the growth to the diameter of the plant. This process produces wood and builds the sturdy trunks of trees. Next, cork cambium. The cork cambium lies between the epidermis, outer layer, epidermis of root and stems, with bark, and one layer of cork. So this cork cambium lies between epidermis and phloem, and it replaces the epidermis of the roots and stems with bark, and one layer of which containing cork. This is the secondary growth. If you compare the primary growth and secondary growth. In primary growth, there is a pith is very large, but whereas in the secondary growth, the pith is reduced. And here only xylem and phloem are there, but in the secondary growth, primary xylem, primary phloem, secondary xylem, secondary phloem, okay, like that the extra growth takes place, which increase the girth or the width of the stem. Next, annual rings. The annual rings, each year the tree forms new cells arranged in concentric circles or rings called annual rings or annual growth rings. So these annual rings show the amount of wood produced during one growing season. Each year the cambium layer produces a layer of xylem, the vessels of which are large and thin walled in the spring and smaller and thick walled in summer, creating a contrast between the rings. So here this is during the spring, and these are the rings formed during the summer. So they are called heartwood, sapwood, the bark. This is the cambium and the pith. Here during spring season, pith is heartwood, sapwood, bark and cambium. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel.